Welcome to our head-to-head comparison, where we pit the Sperax treadmill against the Hccsport Treadmill. Today, we're diving into a detailed analysis based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you decide which treadmill suits your fitness journey best. When it comes to functionality, the Sperax treadmill is praised for its 2-in-1 folding design that caters to those who enjoy a blend of walking and light jogging in their routine.
It's ideal for users who seek simplicity and efficiency in their workout equipment. On the other hand, the Hccsport Treadmill is lauded for its 3-in-1 functionality, offering a versatile workout experience with its desk feature for multitaskers and a robust build for more intense workouts. In the realm of power and performance, the Sperax treadmill is described as a quiet achiever with a 2.5 HP motor, suitable for users up to 280 pounds. It's the perfect match for those who prefer a less noisy workout environment. Conversely, the Hccsport Treadmill, with its 3.5 HP motor, supports a similar weight capacity, but stands out for its higher speed operations, appealing to those who prioritize performance and convenience in their fitness equipment. Design and space-saving capabilities are crucial for modern homes. The Sperax treadmill wins points for its no-assembly-required approach and space-efficient design, making it a great option for those with limited living space. The Hccsport Treadmill, however, showcases its strength and portability with its foldable design and wheels, catering to users who value flexibility and the ability to easily move their treadmill around. Based on online reviews, the Sperax treadmill is highly regarded for its simplicity, quiet operation, and compact design, making it an excellent choice for small spaces and light workouts. The Hccsport Treadmill, however, is celebrated for its versatility, powerful performance, and innovative features, such as its desk option and easy portability, making it a favorite among multitaskers and fitness enthusiasts looking for more than just a basic treadmill. That wraps up our comparison between the Sperax and Hccsport treadmills. Whether you're looking for a simple and quiet workout companion or a versatile and powerful machine to elevate your fitness regime, both treadmills offer unique features that cater to different needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which treadmill you'd prefer and why. Interested in making a purchase?
Check out the product links in the description.
Happy running!